Hi guys, today I will explain to you the logistic option of PCB factories. First of all, our PCB products are generally delivered by express delivery. The reason is that PCB orders are generally not large in order and volume, but the volume of goods is high. Choosing express delivery can help customers save freight. Our express delivery generally uses DHL, vendors, UPS, and etc. And according to our experience, PCB products need 5 to 7 days to be transported from China to North America, 5 to 7 days to be transported from China to Europe, and 3 to 5 days to be transported from China to other Asian countries. However, some countries cannot use express delivery, or the cost is very high. These countries generally use dedicated logistics lines. Well, this is the end of the video. If you want to know more about PCB, follow us. Bye.